rate didn't go down. I know we were all waiting for that news for this time of the prank. Rates, Bank of Canada decide to pause the rate again. I know we were all hoping for the rate drop, but it didn't drop this time. So I want to make a quick video and explain you guys if you did buy a house and you're in a fixed or variable mortgage, what things to look for. If you are planning to buy a house, or if somebody planning to buy a house, what things to look for and how to choose the best option for you. Right? If you already bought a house and you're sitting in a variable rate, please watch all the videos I'm sending it to you because you don't want to get stuck in the same situation after COVID. Rate has gone up 5% variable, and it would just keep going up right after the COVID time. And a lot of people didn't know what would happen. It was happened so quick. So I want to make sure if you are sitting in variable rates, keep watching my video because I have variable rate mortgage. So I know when the rate's going to go up, or I kind of have the feeling. So I'm going to be sending video out saying, hey, fix the rate. The best thing about if you chose the variable, if you are watching all the, rate increase, or I mean, rate announcements, if you are watching all of those dates, just keep an eye on the news and what they're saying and keep focusing there because if they do jump once, where they go up, let's lock in the rate. Don't risk it. Just lock in. This is my personal advice. That's what I'm going to do. Now, if you're sitting on the fixed mortgage and you already got the mortgage, and if you're sitting in anything above almost 5% or above, call your banks, call me. I'm gonna actually show you the difference. I just did another broke a mortgage or breaking a mortgage for a client. He's saving about $34,000, and he's paying penalty of about $8,000. So it was like huge saving. And he's like, Atif, you know what? I'm good to pay this money. We put 3,000 into a mortgage, and rest he's paying from the pocket. Boom. You know what? We'll get the new rate for him. So that's what you want to do if you already have the rates. Keep an eye on those two things, fixed or variable. Now, if you know somebody, or if you're planning to buy a house, if you're going with variable, because right now variable and fixed difference is about zero point 0.5. Okay, that's what the variable is about, higher than fixed right now. So if you are going variable, that's okay. That's what I would choose personally. But I'm like, I just know myself, I can sleep at night knowing if the rate increase or go down. Like I don't stress too much about rates. But if you are that person who just keeping an eye and really stressing out, just go fixed for right now. Just be stress free. And if you already chose variable, whenever you feel like, this is it, switch it to fixed. That's okay. That's the best thing you can do with a variable that I love. You can switch it to fixed anytime. The other thing you want to keep an eye on when it comes to a variable rate is whenever is like the Bank of Canada saying, okay, you know what, this is it. We're thinking about increasing the rate, and you can't afford the mortgage, let's lock in. That's probably the best thing you can do with variable for now. Now, if you are doing annual review with your banks, or if you're not, please do annual review. I try to do as many annual review with my clients to kind of show them what the updates are, what the rates are. So if you are with me, please book a time with me. Let's go through. And if you don't have a mortgage with me, that's okay. Book a time with me. Let's go through your mortgage review. I'm okay to like help you out. I'm here to help everyone. That's my goal. What I'm doing mortgages since I've been doing it is give you the best advice out there, but be safe. Then, like, if you know yourself, okay, can't afford the mortgage if the rate increased 2%, you know what? Like, think about it and think about what you can do. Then lock in. Okay. Now, if you are going to choose fixed rate, if you are going with the bank, their penalties are big. Choose 3 years. Okay. If you are going with bank, their penalty is cheaper, go 5 years. That's okay. But that's where the broker can explain you better which fix to choose from, right? Again, there's so many things going on right now, like with tariffs and everything else. My biggest advice is know yourself, know your affordability. That's why I'm like kind of did the financial planning, month there for you guys to kind of give you an idea of how much money you're saving, taking it. And if you know you're super tight, let's be okay. Let's be like, just relax, choose fixed, and ride out this time. It is like a stressful time for everybody. Things can go up and down. Just lock in. That's okay. Don't have to risk it. But if you know you can afford it where the rate can increase 1 or 2%, let's gamble. Right? That's okay. Like if you're okay with that, right? So that's how I am. But I want to give you guys the news that rate hasn't gone down. I know a lot of my clients were calling me and hoping the rate will drop. I was hoping it would, but it didn't drop this time. There's another announcement happening in July. type in BOS rate announcement if you are a variable person. Save all the dates in your phone, keep an eye on it, watch my videos. That's what I'm here for. But you know what? It's not bad. Like, a year or 2 years ago, like when you were getting a mortgage, you were sitting way above 5%. So it's not bad rate right now when you're sitting in like, low fours or mid fours, or under fours, right? Like it's just not that bad of the rate. And I don't know if the rate's ever going to go down for a long time. It's going to go down to like twos again. I don't think so. It's going to happen anytime soon, but I can be wrong. You never know. I see after COVID, I did not expect variable rate to go up that quick. Like it was every announcement was like increase, 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 right? So since that happened, I'm always like, okay, we just don't know what they can do because that never happened before in the history, like the way they increase the rates, right? So yeah, that's my advice to you guys. I hope this helped. If you guys need anything, please click on the link, book a time with me. I'm always here to help you guys. I want to make sure you guys sitting in the right product or you're choosing the right path for your future. Okay, take care.